following segment is sponsored by the Clark Planetarium. If your little ghouls aren't quite ready for a super scary Halloween celebration, stop by the Clark Planetarium. Kelly is here with a sneak peek of their spellbinding experiments. Kelly, welcome back to the show.
Thank you for having me.
We love having you here. You came in with accessories, so I immediately put on the gloves.
Yep.
But you have
very
a really fun experiment.
Yes, we sure do. We have fun stuff going on this weekend that I'll talk about, but first I wanted to do a fun Halloween thing with you. This is just something everybody has in their home, just some dry ice. You have that around the house,
Everyone
right?
has
We
that.
buy it in bulk at the planetarium.
It's just lying there,
Yeah,
so I'll hold this for you.
We're gonna put some in here.
Okay.
Ooh, it's getting crazy already, see?
This is
We're gonna put some warm water in here and it's gonna start off-gassing. Whoa, check this out. We've already got some spells.
I feel
now
like
we're
a
gonna start
witch.
to put this lid on.
Okay.
And we can't completely close it because then it builds up too much pressure. But watch as this starts to shoot out when I put the lid on. You're gonna help me. You're gonna dip it into here and we're gonna make something special. We're making some bubbles out of it.
Look, they're smoky bubbles.
You can hold them with your gloves. Look at that.
I feel all of my... I have always wanted to be magic, and this is making all of my dreams come true. Look at this.
How fun is that?
Abracadabra. How fun is this? And you guys have fun stuff like this going on all the time.
Do.
What do you have going on this weekend?
We always do Fun Science Friday, Fridays from 2:30 to 6:30. We'll put some on the table. We are doing lemon batteries this Friday, which is going to be really fun. And then Saturday we have Clark Creates from 12 to 4.
Okay.
And we are going to do space robots, and you get to build your own robot on Saturday.
I love that. So basically, why wouldn't you be at the Clark Planetarium Friday and Saturday? Talk to us about your membership program.
Our memberships are $35 for the year, and you get to see all sorts of films. We have two different theaters, the Dome Theater and the IMAX Theater, and they show science documentaries all year long, and we have every single show for you for $35 for the whole year.
That is absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Where is the Clark Planetarium located?
We're at the Gateway. We're open 7 days a week, and we're open 363 days a year. We're always doing something really fun.
You guys, I mean, she just said it, but they really do have something fun going on all the time. Why is the Clark Planetarium such a great place for adults and kids?
We have 3 floors of free exhibits, and science should be free. Look at fun stuff like this.
I mean, I'm just
always learning new things.
I'm grinning from ear to ear.
Yes, and we love having all sorts of ages, all different families. Last night we had an adult program with the Clark Planetarium, Taylor Swift event, so we're always doing really fun stuff.
We love it. Where can we go for more information?
Find us on social media or go to clarkplanetarium.org.
Perfect, Kelly. Thank you so much for coming in today.
Thank
and
you
this
for
has
having
made,
me.
like I said, I've always wanted to be magic, and you've made my dreams come true today.
Ooh.
Ooh, very witchy.